Precious and sensitive cargo requires special handling and safe shipping. AmeriJet is the professional expert to handle your perishable shipments with high priority. AmeriJet offers the fastest transit times for your perishable shipping to destinations all across the world. AmeriJet handles all types of perishable cargo, including fruits, vegetables, fish, flowers, and pharmaceuticals. AmeriJet cares because you care. AmeriJet has professional experts to handle your perishable shipments from start to finish. We make perishable shipping fast and easy. Our website offers quick quotes, online booking, and online tracking. AmeriJet is a proud member of the Produce Marketing Association. Call us today at 1-800-927-6059. AmeriJet, land, sea, air. We get it there.